Welcome to the Kamado Joe Technique Series. Because your grill can function like a wood-fired oven, it's perfect for baking and roasting. The Kamado Joe adds unique flavor to baked dishes and roasted meats and vegetables. To get started, top off or fill the firebox with charcoal. Then you'll need to install 2 heat deflector plates. This effectively blocks direct flame, converting your grill to an oven. Place the pizza stone or cooking grate on top. Then close the dome. Now open the top and bottom vents halfway until temp approaches 300 to 450 degrees. Then close the vents as needed to maintain. If you're making pizza, increase the heat to 500 degrees or higher. Remember, you must burp the grill every time you open the dome to prevent dangerous flashback. Partially opening the dome and allowing heat to escape for 2 to 3 seconds should prevent this. For more baking and roasting recipes, visit KamadoJoe.com.